that I'm never gonna send to you. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. Is there somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities? You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, right, maybe we should let this fall apart.
Talaga nag-give ng justice ang camera.
'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you.
Gusto niya makita yung itsura ng building ito. Sa cellphone na lang. Hindi kita ka camera ko. Uy. Nasaan tayo? Sa surprise namin si Isa. Pumunta kami sa malayong cafe. Kunwari nag-aaway kami. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wala nga lang blow. Sesame. Black sesame. Two, three, two. Which one do you recommend? You like? What do you like? Dark chocolate? Okay.
Never been one to cry.
Hola. Last day in Puli. As a newbie.
Wait, ito mo na. I-drop mo siya. 1, 2, 3. Bakit? Bakit ka naiiyak? Bakit?
Last meal.
Chicken.
Take out.